Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature for Google Chrome users, enabling vibration notifications while browsing in incognito mode. This updated guide will walk you through the simple steps to make your browsing experience even more interactive. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, this is where our journey begins. If you're using a mobile device, make sure you have the latest version of Chrome installed to access all features. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to various settings and options within the browser. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This section contains all the customizable options for your browsing experience. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Notifications option. Now that you're in the Notifications section, it's time to enter incognito mode. If you haven't opened an incognito window yet, do so by selecting New Incognito Window from the three-dot menu. This mode allows for private browsing without saving history or cookies. Once in incognito mode, return to the notification settings. Here, you will see various notification preferences. Look for the option labeled Enable Vibration. This feature allows your device to vibrate when notifications are received while in incognito mode, providing a tactile response that enhances your browsing experience. After enabling vibration notifications, make sure to test it out. You can do this by receiving a notification while in incognito mode and feeling the vibration alert on your device. And there you have it. By following these steps, opening Chrome, accessing settings through the three-dot menu, navigating to notifications, entering incognito mode, and enabling vibration, you have successfully enhanced your browsing experience with vibration notifications in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your digital experience. Happy browsing!